Hello, it's Evan, and today I'm going to be talking about the membrane and its potential. So, what is the resting membrane? The resting membrane is when the neuron is at rest, and so the cells are, and it's not shooting an action potential. And when it's at rest, it keeps a negative net charge of negative 70 millivolts inside the membrane. And the membrane has two main ions, and that's potassium and sodium. And a lot of the potassium is inside the membrane, and a lot of the sodium is outside the membrane, and they're both positively charged. The reason the membrane has a negative 70 millivolts is because of the anions inside the membrane, which are negative, and there's also negative proteins. And during its resting state, it's able to keep its negative charge by sodium potassium pumps. And what this does is that the sodium potassium pumps brings in two potassium ions. So for every two potassium ions it brings in, it'll bring out 3 sodium ions. And this allows the membrane to keep its negative volt or negative charge, and thus allowing it to keep resting, and then when it needs to shoot an action potential, it will.